Unit 1 Test Review Homework. Number 1, the weight of a dolphin at a zoo is 1,157 pounds. Which model shows 1,157? So on A, we see 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 ones. If you add that all up, we would have 1,500, a 1 in the tens place, and 7 ones. 1,517. Nope, that doesn't match our number, so it's not A. Looking at B, let's get that. There we go. Maybe. B, we have 1,100, 5 tens, which is 50, and 7 ones. And if you add that up, we'd have 1,157. That looks like that's our correct answer. Let's check the others. We've got 1,000. Now we've got 5, 6, 700. A 10 and 5 ones, that would be 1,715. Oh, and 1,100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,175. Close. Not quite. B is the correct answer for number 1. Okay, on number 2, the number of visitors at an amusement park was 3,689 on Saturday, 3,923 on Sunday, 4,731 on Monday, and 4,243 on Tuesday. On which day did the most visitors go to the zoo? And I made a mistake. That should be to the amusement park. So here are our numbers. We've got 4 numbers here. My question is asking which day did the most. So I'm looking for the biggest number. I've got a 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000. So I know it's not either of those two because they're only 3,000. 4,000, 4,000, 700, and 200. And 700s is more than 200, so this is our bigger number. This is not. But we want to know which day that is. So it's 4,731 on Monday. So we're going to circle Monday here. Number 3, which correctly compares the two numbers? Both of them start with 78,500, but we have 4 tens here and 9 tens here. So 90 is more than 40. So I'm going to make my alligator mouth eat that number over here. It's more. This number is less than this number. So I want to find the one that looks the same, and that is B. On number 4, the tallest point in the United States is Mount McKinley in Alaska. It is 20,237 feet above sea level. How many hundreds are in 20,237? I put a place value chart in here. I'd like you to write 20,237. And this is not asking what digit is in the hundreds place, but how many hundreds. So if I were trying to build this number with my place value blocks and I didn't have thousands and I didn't have 10,000s and all I could use were 100 blocks, how many hundreds would I have to use? Well, it would be a lot because it's a really big number. To make this whole number, we'd have to use a lot of hundreds every time we had 1,000, and we've got 20,000. We'd have to use 10 hundreds. So we learned a little trick using our place value chart so that we don't have to try to draw all this out and figure it all out when we have big numbers like this. If we're looking for how many hundreds, we just find our hundreds place And we're going to come over here and underline till we get to our hundreds place. And there's our answer, 202. It would take 202 hundreds to make that number. So we're going to fill it in on our grid here by filling in 202. Remember, this is your ones place, your tens, and your hundreds. Now I'm going to very neatly and carefully fill in my bubbles here. 202. Number 5, a baseball company sells cards in 3 kinds of boxes. Large boxes hold 1,000 cards, medium boxes hold 100 cards, and small boxes hold 10 cards. If a baseball collector ordered 1 large box, 5 medium boxes, and 3 small boxes, how many cards did they order? Right, so 1 large box. If I go back up here and I look, a large box is 1,000, and I have 1 of those. 1 group of 1,000 would be 1,000. And we have 5 medium boxes. And medium boxes each hold 100. So if I have 5 of those, that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. It's another 500 cards. And 3 small boxes. The small boxes hold 10 cards. So I have 3 of those, that's 10, 20, 30. So all together, that number adds up to 1,530, which is answer choice A. And last, number 6. A blue whale weighs about 441,500 pounds. What is this number in expanded form? Okay, well, I know 4, this 4 right here is in the hundred thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So this is 400,000. If I look at my choices, this one starts with 40,000. That can't be it because we don't have a 400,000 in here. B starts with 400,000. C only goes to 40,000. And D has 400,000. Okay. Next we have 4 in the tens place, or 4 in the 10,000s place. If I have 4 10,000s, that's 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. So next I should have 40,000. Oh, this one just has 4,000. This one has 40,000. And let's make sure the rest of this matches up. We have 1,000, 1,000, and then 500, 500. So our correct answer is D.